Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are good. I am also good. So today I will teach you a new concept. The concept of far and near. The concept of far and near. Now all of you do like this. Far, near. Far means dur or near means pass. Far, near. So first of all I want to show you one example. So see this. Can you see this girl? Can you see this girl? And can you see this house? The girl is very far from her house. She is standing here. ये गर्ल यहाँ खड़ी हुई है. ये तो अपने घर से बहुत दूर है. She is very far from her house. Now she is walking toward her house. Slowly she is walking and now she is near to her house. अब ये अपने घर के near आ गई है. She is near to her house. Near and now she is far from her house. Now look carefully. Now the girl is far from her house. Now she is walking toward her house, near to her house. She covered distance. इसने क्या cover किया है? Distance. Far, near. Far from her house, near to her house. Far, near. Understood? Now, can you see this picture? Yes. What are these? Flowers. And these are butterflies. So this butterfly is sitting near to these flowers. This butterfly is sitting near to these flowers. But this butterfly is far away from these flowers. This butterfly is far away and this butterfly is near. This butterfly is sitting near to these flowers and this butterfly is far away from these flowers. Now, can you see this sun? Yes. Can you see these birds? These are birds and these are birds. These birds are flying in the sky. So these two birds are near to the sun. These two birds are flying near to the sun. But these three birds are flying far away from the sun. These are far away from the sun and these two are near to the sun. Far, near. Far, near. These birds are far away and these birds are near away to the sun. Far, near. Understood? So, with this concept, the girl was far away from the house. Now the girl is near to the house. She covered the distance. So, we are learning the concept of distance. She is covering the distance. And here you can also see the distance. This butterfly is near to these flowers and this butterfly is far away from these flowers. Distance. Can you see the distance? So, now I will show you 2 pages of your maths book that you have to complete and one activity related to this concept that you also have to done. Fine? Let's start. So students, look here. Here you can see picture of gift and this is a ladybird. You can see the distance. The ladybird is near to this gift. Can you see the distance? Yes. So now look at these pictures also. This is a picture of a gift and this is a candle. The candle is far away from this gift. Far. This is far. Okay. Now come to this side. Gift and this is a clock. The clock is just near to the gift. The clock is near to the gift. Now gift and balloon. Now you can see the balloon is very far from gift. Far, near, far, near. So what you have to do? Circle the things that are near the box and join the broken lines to the things that are far from the box. So you have to put a circle on the things which are near to the box. Fine. And then you have to join these broken lines also. Fine. So in this way you have to complete page number 23 of your maths book. Now turn the page and see this. Same size. This thing also you have to do. Color the thing that is of the same size as the one is the small box. Now see this. This is a ball. What is this? Ball. Now see these two balls and do the comparison. Which one is just equal to this size? This one is small to this one. This one is also small, but this ball is just equal to this ball in size. So what we will do? We will do color in this ball. So in this way you also have to complete this part and this part. These part you have to complete. This is page number 24. Now I will tell you one activity related to the concept of far and near that you have to done. Students, can you see this picture? In this picture we can see a girl and we can see grass and two trees. So what you have to do? You have to find out which tree is just near to this girl. The girl is standing near to this tree. The girl is standing near to this tree. Near. And this tree is very far away from her. And this tree is far away from her. So you have to do leaf impression activity. Which activity? Leaf impression activity in the tree which is near to the girl. So find out which tree is near to the girl. This one. So in this tree we will do the leaf impression activity. Which activity? Leaf impression activity. You have to ask your parents. They will draw this picture and the tree which is near to the girl. You have to do the leaf impression in that tree only. Okay. So how you will do the leaf impression? Can you see this leaf? So on the opposite side of the leaf, first we put green color on it like this. So look here, this is green color. Now I am going to make leaf impression. This is leaf impression activity. Now again I am going to put color on the back side of this leaf. Fine. So in this way you have to complete this activity. And on which tree you will do the leaf impression? The tree which is near to the girl. The girl is standing near to which tree? This one. So I am going to do leaf impression on this tree only. Do it like this. After that you can take brown color, and in the trunk of a tree you have to do brown color. This is the trunk of the tree, then you have to do brown color in it. Fine. Then take the crayon, brown color, and you have to do in the trunk of this tree. So this activity you have to done with the help, we have to do with the help of your parents. Okay, ask your parents, they will help you. And while using the watercolor, what you have to wear? Tell me. Apron. What you have to wear? apron. Don't spoil your dress. And in the school dress, you have to do all the activities. Fine? And moreover, one thing you can do. You have to go just near to the mirror and see your image. After that, just stand far from the mirror and see your image. You will find the difference. Okay, this activity you have to do, mirror activity you have to do, and 2 pages of your maths book you have to complete. Fine? So, goodbye. Take care of yourself.